SyQon just did a major update to their Prism denoising script. There's a brand new interface, lots of cool new features, and we're going to check it out right now. My name is Sherwin Kashi, and you're watching Astro Island. We already have our image open and it's already in the auto stretch mode. I also like to have high definition enabled, just to avoid any weird looking artifacts, and sometimes you get that weird blotchiness at times when you're going through the workflow process. And as always, remember, if you're installing it for the first time, you can go to the hamburger menu and you select preferences, or you can go to scripts, get scripts, and you select the SyQon scripts. And of course, don't forget there are two features for the SyQon Prism Denoise. One is the Prism Mini, which is a free version, and then there's a Prism Deep, which is the paid version, which gives you much more features. And as always, don't forget to use the code AstroIsland, where you're going to get 5% off when making that purchase. And it's around 30 euros for the Prism Deep, the paid version. So check it out. Use the code AstroIsland and get your 5% off. So we're going to start using Prism Denoise now. So as usual, we go to scripts, Python scripts, processing, and we select SyQon Prism. And right off the bat, you can see a lot has changed with the entire interface. Of course, let's just maximize it just a little bit more. There we go. So of course, everything more or less remains the same here. You have the option of selecting whether you want Prism Mini, which is the free version, or Prism Deep, which is the paid version. You can adjust the strength of your denoising as before. And now we have these two features here, which is the live tile preview, which is this new feature that we're seeing here. We now have a preview of the image that we're about to denoise. And then of course, show IHS stretch in preview, which is now like a pre-stretch or like an auto stretch within the live preview that we're seeing here. We have some new features within the advanced settings. These have remained the same, the tile size and the overlap. And what's new is that we have now the edge pad and we have the target median. So the edge pad, what this does now, some of you in the previous version would have been using Prism, and sometimes you'd have gotten that sort of like artifacts to the side of your images. What this does, it actually helps now remove those sort of weird looking artifacts at the sides of your images. We have the target median, which is now sort of like I would have mentioned before, like an auto stretch just within the preview. And you have three options available: the standard, the soft, the standard, and the boost. Of course, I have it right now at standard, which is a 0.150. If we go to soft, it goes down a little bit to 0.20. And if we go to boost, it goes up to 0.110. So these are the adjusted stretches while for your preview, as well as while the image is being denoised, it applies that amount of stretch, denoises the image, and then reverts to its original linear state. We would have already discussed these settings here in my previous video with regards to CPU and GPU usage. But for me, here's where the really cool part comes in. We now have the preview button, and as we click on it, this little tile comes up where you can now move this tile to wherever you want to get a preview as to how the image would look after it has been denoised. So we click on run preview, and now we have a closer view as to how the image would look. Right, of course you can adjust, zoom in and zoom out accordingly. Right, you can fit, go back to its original state. You can use the scroll wheel to zoom in and out. Right, and then while you are adjusting your strengths, you can get a preview. So let's say, for example, right now I have it at 100%. Let's say if I bring it down to maybe 22% and we click on run preview, you can see that it has been reduced to 22% of the noise reduction, and you can still see just a little bit of noise here versus before when I had it at full 100%, there was absolutely no noise. I think this is a really cool feature, but it gets even better. So let me just go now and begin denoising the image. So as we click on denoise, it's going to begin doing its thing. It's going to begin denoising at 22%. So the image has been denoised at a strength of 22%. And for me, this is the best part. I have never seen anything like this on any other tool that does denoising, where you can actually in real time now see a before and after. So let's zoom in. Maybe let's get a view of the Horsehead Nebula right here. So now you can actually see this is before, and if you slide to the left, you can see after, the amount of denoising that has been applied. This is this is fantastic. And if we go to their website, it's very much similar, right? The same way how you can go on their website and um, slide left and right, that divider bar, where we can see the amount of noise or the level of noise before, and as you scroll to the left, the level of noise after using SyQon Prism. So that's more or less it. That's just a quick video showing you some of the really cool and exciting new features available for SyQon Prism. And now, showing from the past is going to close off today's video. Use the code AstroIsland when making your purchase and get 5% off. So there you have it. Even discounts are being applied now when you purchase SyQon Prism Deep. So take full advantage of it. Enjoy SyQon Prism Deep and let me know in the comments down below what you think about it. And of course, if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. And while you're there, click the join button to become a channel member, where you can get exclusive access to videos and many other perks that are available when you become a channel member. You can also support me on Patreon, as well as check out my website where you can purchase exclusive AstroIsland merchandise. I'll put links in the description down below so you can click on each of them, check them out, and enjoy everything that AstroIsland has to offer. So now it's time to close off. So I close off by saying, it's not the size of your telescope that counts, it's how you use it. Bye for now, take care, and I'll see you again soon at Astro Island.